Hi, this is the activity of my last vacation, and I am Diego Jimenez. In my last vacation, I went to Boyacá. I went to the Boyacá Bridge. This is the historical monument in which Colombia gained independence. It was fantastic because I saw the Christmas lights and they were beautiful. I was in Cucaita, a little town of Boyacá. Uh, Cucaita. This town is beautiful. I was in a farm with the best view of the mountains. I fell in love with that place. This is the town. It is the town, and it is the farm. My meals. I ate picada with sausage and black sausage from Sutamarchan. It is the picada. It is the sausage, and it is the black sausage. In the afternoon, I ate arepa boyacense with aguapanela. It is. It is delicious. At breakfast, I ate potato broth with egg. It. It is the broth. And I also ate cocido boyacense. This food is delicious with great variety of vegetables. My activities. I climbed the mountain with my dog Tony. It is Tony. I raped tomato, and I milked a cow. I swam in wells of crystal clear water. It is the well. It is beautiful, and that was my trip through Boyacá. It was beautiful, and I want to repeat that experience. Thanks for your attention, and I am Diego Jimenez, a software engineering student. Thanks.